Hi, this is Deborah Gonzalez Realtor with the Parodi Team at Realty Associates. Have you ever wondered, what can I do to improve my credit score? Here are some tips that can help you with that. 1. Check errors in your credit report. Thanks to an act of the Congress, you can download one free credit report each year at annualcreditreport.com. If you come across any error, correct them immediately. 2. Pay down credit card bills. Do not cancel them though. Use the credit card and pay off the entire balance every month. Transferring credit card debt from one card to another could lower your credit score. 3. Wait 12 months after credit difficulties to apply for a mortgage. You are penalized less severely for problems after a year. Do not order items for your new home yet. Wait until your home loan is approved to charge appliances and furniture, as that will add to your debt. 5. Shop for mortgages all at once. Having too many credit applications can lower your credit score. However, multiple inquiries about your credit score from the same type of lender all count as one if submitted over a short period of time. Do you need assistance? Call me at 281-639-3824 or go to my website, deborah.theparoditeam.com. Thank you.